Here in the math department, they love to have pie parties. Pie meaning P-I. Get it? Pie parties where they serve pie and ice cream. And as the department admin, it's up to me to figure out how much pie and ice cream to order. Now, we've had enough of these parties that we've pretty much figured out how much pie and ice cream students tend to eat. And this helps me know how much to order. Now, I say me because it's all on me. And it would really be helpful if I had a report that would help me figure this out. Now, I'll tell you what I need. I'm going to read it for you on my report here. I need a report that will give me the name of the party, the number of students, the number of faculty, the number of pies, the number of cartons of ice cream, the cost of the pies, the cost of the ice cream, and the total cost of the party. Now, so that you know, I've got other information for you as well. Each pie costs $11. Each container of ice cream costs $9. The faculty each tend to eat 2 slices of pie, and the students tend to eat 3 slices of pie. And there are 8 slices in a pie, and there are 9 servings of ice cream per container. I need this program right away so I can order apple pies for the next pineapple party. Get it? Pie and apple party. Ugh, pineapple. I really need this program.